my name is Rhonda with Hallái and Art of Self-Healing. I'd like to share with you some healthy tips for using the Hallái Body Nutrients. When you begin to use these, remember we're a whole being. We're not just our physical body. We have a spiritual, an emotional, mental, and then the physical part of us. When we're using the Hallái Body Nutrients, they are working within 12 energy centers and vortexes within our body. When you're ready to apply the oils, make sure that you do so on a body that's damp. After your shower or bath, apply it all over and even under your arms. This makes sure it gets into the lymphatic system and begins to flush toxins there as well. This goes deep into the deeper layers of your body and beyond the blood-brain barrier to assist you energetically on all 4 levels of your being. If you have any questions at all, please email me at rhonda@hallái.com or give me a call and we'll find the right personal blend for you. Thank you.